Last time, on sailing Balachandra, we finished up at the Grenada quarantine zone, visited the town of St. George's, then moved our boat to Molinere Bay. If you're new to the channel, I'm Dan.
And I'm Noelle.
And we're sailing Balachandra. We're from Halifax, Nova Scotia, and we are sailing around the Caribbean, and right now we're in Grenada.
Don't forget to hit the big red button down below that says subscribe. Press that button.
Hey guys, we're still in Molinere Bay, and today we're going to jump in the dinghy and we're going to go check out an underwater sculpture park. Should be pretty fun. It's just around the corner over here in Dragons Bay, and apparently there's at least over 100 sculptures in the water that you can snorkel around and check out. It's the perfect day for it. We're excited to go, so we're going to go do that right now. The Molinere Underwater Sculpture Park is a collection of ecological underwater contemporary art located in the Caribbean Sea off the west coast of Grenada, and was created by British sculptor Jason DeClaire Taylor. In May 2006, the world's first underwater sculpture park was opened for public viewing. Taylor's aim was to engage local people with the underwater environment that surrounds them, using his works, which are derived from life casts of the local community. He installed concrete figures onto the ocean floor, mostly consisting of a range of human forms, from solitary individuals to a ring of children holding hands. The sculpture park, which began its construction in 2006, is situated on the sandy ocean floor of the barren Molinere Bay. We were fortunate to be diving with other cruisers who also had GoPro cameras, and we were able to capture our dive from multiple angles for the first time. After completing our dive at the sculpture park, we continued on to Beausejour Bay, where we dived on a local reef. It was amazing. We saw some incredible fish. This is the first lionfish we've seen of the entire trip. Apparently there's something of a menace here in the Caribbean.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this week's video, please don't forget to give us a like or leave us a comment down below. We enjoy reading those. And again, subscribe so that you don't miss out on what's to come.